guys! Alright, so today, ang gagawin natin is, I'm gonna be curling my hair, but hindi curling iron yung aking gagamitin. I will be using a flat iron. Before, hindi ko alam na yung flat iron, pwede rin pala siyang gamitin pang curl. I will be showing you two options. Pwede kayong mag-loose waves or pwede rin naman yung tight curls using a flat iron. It's very easy. So, itong gagawin ko is a step-by-step video. Let's start. Ang hair ko ngayon is dry. Although yung gagamitin kong straightener, pwede siyang dry, pwede rin siyang wet. This is the W Elite Eye Shine Nano Technology. Ang pinakamataas na setting niya is 200 degrees. Can heat up 30 seconds, ganun kabilis. Andito yung temperature control and the on and off button. Pwede mo siyang i-lock. Yan. Tapos, ang magandang feature nito also is meron siyang swivel cord. Malamang alam niyo na to, pero ang flat iron is for, of course, for straightening the hair. But this time, gagamitin ko siya pang curl. I'll be teaching you two kinds of curls, loose waves at saka tight curls. Kasi yun yung madalas kong ginagawa. Yun yung sanay na ako kaya. Okay, so let's start with tight curls, okay? Before curling, before straightening or blow drying, don't forget your heat protectant para hindi masira yung ating hair from the heat. I'm using my Vitress Hair Solutions Heat Protect. Tatali ko lang to kasi hindi ko makita yung aking shock. Tali ko lang muna to para hindi siya sumama dun sa kabila. Start tayo sa likod. Kukuha lang tayo ng small section ng ating hair. Depende sa type of hair, pero okay na sa akin yung 180 degrees Celsius. Ika-clamp natin yung hair, like that, and then twist, going outwards, and then twist natin yung iron, paikot-ikot, hanggang sa bumaba yung buhok. There. Ayan yung buhok nakababa na. So, hihilahin lang natin. Pero actually, hindi hila eh. Iga-glide natin yung iron, pababa, like that. Alright, so yan yung ating first na tight curl. Clamp, and then ikot. Ilalagay natin sa likod yung hair. And then, i-turn natin yung iron, pag ganyan, hanggang sa bumaba yung buhok, nandito sa baba. And then, pull lang natin going downwards. Okay, so ito na yung tight curls nandito sa right side. Sa kabila, ang gagawin natin is yung loose waves lang. Kukuha lang ako ng section na aking hair. Ang hawak ko sa flat iron is pag ganito. Pag ganyan. Okay? Naklamp ko yung aking hair, like that. And then, iti-turn ko, i-flip ko parang pabaliktad. And then, ganyan lang. There. Ang itsura niya is like this. So, loose waves lang siya. Clamp. And then, twist. Pag ganyan lang. And then, hila. Going downwards. There. Ito yung loose waves, ito yung tight curls. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you again on my next video. Bye!